Hi, in front of me is REALME C21 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, find calendar and click on it. Now you need to tap on the month above and select the date. When you're done, click at the plus icon at the bottom right corner over here, choose event and customize it however you want to. You can add a title, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, click done, choose location, add people from your contact book, choose starting hour and ending one. When you're done, click on save at the top right corner and as you can see, my event was successfully added. You can always delete it by clicking on it, choosing three dots at the top right corner and selecting delete, then delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!